Hello mga kasora. Ngayon nga pala mag-change sa IGN tayo. Gagamitin natin yung MPL na si Kyrie. Tingnan natin kung may mabibiktima dito.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
Bali, ang ginawa ko nga pala dito, pumunta agad ako sa red buff ng kalaban. Kasi nakita ko yung repolyo nandun sa kanan, kaya matik yan, dun magsisimula ang core. Kaya inunahan ko na sa red buff para mag-up na rin yung kalaban. Sige, simulan na natin. Music.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friends. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? We're railroad white, breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. That girl, like something of a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster, and she's running through my mind all day. Hey.